Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on the Burger Please game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then search for the Burger Please game. Once you find the game, you can tap on the install button and wait for a while until the installation is done. Once the game is installed, you will find the play button, so go ahead and tap on it. Now, since we open up the game for the first time, we might expect to be asked to log in or sign up. However, the game will continue with the first screen without even asking for any kind of login, which means that you don't need to sign up and create any account on the Burger Please game. You can directly start enjoying your game and move through the progress, and all of your data will be saved within your game locally. And there you have it. That is all you need to know about signing up on the Burger Please game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.